The history of the Earth. The history of the Earth relates to the evolution of the planet from its formation to the present day. Almost every branch of the natural sciences has contributed to understanding the major events of Earth's past, which have been characterized by continuous geological change and biological evolution. The Geological Time Scale, GTS, as stated by the International Conference, depicts the great time periods from the Earth's beginnings to the present, and its sections chronicle some of the events decisive in the history of the Earth. In the graph, mm stands for 1,000,000 years ago. Earth formed about 54 billion years ago, about a third of the age of the universe, growing out of the solar nebula. The volcanic invasion likely created the primordial atmosphere and then the ocean, but the primordial atmosphere contained almost no oxygen. Most of the Earth was molten due to frequent collisions with other bodies, resulting in excessive volcanic activity. When the Earth was in its early stages, Earth, a giant super collision with a planet-sized object called Theia, is believed to have formed the Moon. Over time, the Earth cooled, causing a hard crust to form, and allowing liquid water to rise to the surface. Infernal Eon represents the time before a reliable, fossil, record of life. It began with the formation of the planet and ended 4 billion years ago. The eons and the following protozoans produced the beginnings and the first development of life on Earth. The later age is the Age of Omens, which is divided into 3 eras: the Archaic life, the era of arthropods and fish, and the first life on land, then the Mesozoic era, which extended to the emergence of non-avian dinosaurs and their dominance and their climatic extinction, and the era of modern life that witnessed the emergence of mammals. Known humans appeared at most 2 million years ago, which is a very young period on a geological scale. The oldest indisputable evidence of life on Earth dates back to at least 3.5 billion years ago, during the first apocalyptic epoch, after the geological crust began to solidify after the first molten eon. Microbial mat fossils such as stromatolites have been found in a 3.48 billion-year-old sandstone discovered in Western Australia. Other early tangible evidence of biogenetic material is graphite in a 3.7 billion-year-old metasedimentary rock discovered in southwest Greenland, as well as biological remains found in 4.1 billion-year-old rocks in Western Australia. According to one of the researchers, if life arises relatively quickly on Earth, that might be a common occurrence in the universe.